my channel. So this video is a morning study vlog. Now I don't usually wake up in the morning, but because I have online classes, that's why I have tried to wake up in the morning, and yeah, that's how this study vlog goes. So the very first thing that I did today was that I studied some new words, which I usually do. Now this is a good way to learn a new habit, and learning new words to add in your vocabulary is always a good thing. So you can check out this app too, and you can use it. It's by Magoosh. The key to learning new words is to understand the sentences that comes along with it. So new word wouldn't stick to your vocabulary if you don't know how to use it and when to use it, and you actually have to use it as well. So saying things like well, it's a platitude or whatever, like I'm still in the learning process, so you can't judge me for it, but using these words that you're learning in your vocabulary and applying it to your vocabulary will actually help you learn it faster. And also by looking at examples and teaching other people will help too, so you can try that out if you want to. It's been a long time since I've shared my daytime skincare regime with you all, and Korean beauty has been getting really popular lately, so I have developed like a soft corner for myself for K-beauty as well. So while I was searching for the products, I came across this brand that brings in borderless beauty secrets from all across the world. Products that I have been using are by the Secrets of Jeju range by Pilgrim. Now Pilgrim is a clean compatible brand. It is 100% vegan and cruelty free, FDA approved, sulfate and paraben free, and uses zero toxic 20 chemicals. So these are the reasons that I opted for Pilgrim, and I'm not going back. My simple and quick routine begins with cleansing my face with the volcanic lava ash face wash. It's made of volcanic lava ash, white lotus and yugdogu. It helps dry out active acne, deep cleanses the pores, and the volcanic ash acts as a dirt magnet, removing all the impurities. The best part is it doesn't strip off the skin of its protective moisture or disturb the natural pH, thus maintaining its integrity and youth. Next in the routine is the skin clarifying serum. One of the important skincare products are serums, and one must choose them wisely as per your skin type. Skincare serum is part of Pilgrim's newly launched serum. So there are 5 newly launched serums, and it includes something for everybody. So there's a serum for dry skin types, then acne prone skin types. Maybe if you're having hair issues, there's a serum for that too. So you must go and check them out. My skin clarifying serum is lightweight and absorbs into the skin without any greasy residue. It helped me in fading away those acne marks which stayed for long on my face. It also gives an even tone and blemish free skin, prevents future breakouts, and improves the look of enlarged pores. So after using these 2 products, I've seen the difference myself, and I'll be adding these to my AM and PM routine, especially the skin clarifying serum. And if you wish to opt for these super products, then I'll leave the link to both of these products in the description box below, and you can also use my code samraddhi15 for an extra 15% off. The Pilgrim website will also be linked in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out. And yeah, let's move ahead with the video. So after I have done my skincare routine, I go back to studying. This time I'm studying mathematics. Now mathematics is one of my least favorite subjects because I'm not very good at it, and I just can't seem to get any better at it. So please leave any tips if you have. I actually used a few of your tips, and those are helping. So if you have any more tips, then let me know in the comment box below, and I'll apply it to my study routine. This way we can both learn good things from each other and can study together as study buddies without even meeting. So we can be virtual study buddies, and it is such a good thing. So I was just like solving mathematics question. Most of these are MCQs, but you actually have to solve the entire question, which takes really long time. Also I have to maintain my speed while solving these questions, because that's how it'll appear in the actual exam, and maintaining speed is a really important thing. So I also have a video on how to maintain speed and manage time, so you can check it out. It's called How to Manage Time, and there are 10 tips over there, so you can check it out. It will be here on the iCard. A lot of people ask me that. I also have a video on how to manage stress during exams, because I know it can be so hard when you're giving your examination, and the pressure of parents, then school, then also of like expectations from others. So I know how it can feel, and that video should help you. Plus I always have some mental health resources, and you can talk to therapists. It's in the description box below, so you can check it out if you need any help in that matter. and I'm always open to a conversation as well. You can email me at samraddhi.fanmail@gmail.com, and I'll be available to talk to you. So in our Indian culture, we have been taught not to use calculators, and I am not going to lie, it can be very beneficial not using calculators during exams, even when it is permitted, because it can save you so much of time. I gave my exam once in January, and calculator was allowed in that exam, but even then I did not use it, and I performed quite well. So yeah, that can be a big benefit if you are giving any external like competitive exams where calculators are actually allowed. So I am actually grateful to CBSE this time, I guess. So I was solving like these last bits of questions that I had, and then I actually matched my answers to it. So there's the answer key, and I'm just like matching questions. I did not like mark the like the options, so that was kind of like an idiotic thing to do, but other than that, yeah, it was fine. After that, I just read the explanation, and while you read the explanation, you can see at what point and at what like question you have made the mistake in, and how you can correct it the next time. So that's a really good thing, so you can do that too if you want to. And then it was time to study Spanish. So because it's like a morning vlog, I don't study too much because I also have my online classes. So I'm just like doing a few things like 1 hour of like maths, and then also like a little bit of learning new words, and then maybe performing like 1 or 2 lessons of like Spanish. So that's what I am currently doing. Studying Spanish is actually like really relaxing for me. I love the language, and I would love to learn it and speak it fluently one day, because I'm such a huge fan of Spanish shows, Spanish football, all the culture and everything. I like want to visit Spain too one day. So yeah, that's why I'm learning Spanish. And also that's all for this video. So make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification. Thank you for watching.